Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome. My name is John, and this is the place where we dive headfirst into the wonderful world of words. If that sounds like your kind of thing, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video.
Welcome to English Book Channel.
Hey, Jenny, I need your help. Yesterday, someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" And I didn't know how to answer. Really, you didn't know what to say. Yeah, I just said nothing much, but I actually did a lot. I think I need to learn how to talk about my day.
Oh, talking about your day is super useful. You can use it in daily conversations all the time. Okay, ready? Let's start with my morning. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. The sunlight was coming through my window. It was warm and soft.
So you woke up at 7.
Yes, at 7. I felt happy because it was a sunny day.
I see. What did you do first?
First, I sat up in bed. Then, I stretched my arms high above my head. It felt so good.
That's nice. Sometimes I feel sleepy in the morning.
Then you should try stretching. It can give you more energy. After that, I finished my routine work and dressed up.
Okay, great.
I went to the kitchen to make breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
I made 2 slices of toast and a cup of coffee. After breakfast, I walked to my class.
Was it far from your home?
No, just 10 minutes. I like walking in the morning. Then I went into the classroom and got ready for the lesson. In class, our teacher gave us a short story to read.
Is that story was interesting?
Yes, it was about a boy and his dog. After that, it was time for lunch. At lunchtime, I went to the campus cafeteria.
Cafeteria. That's like a big dining hall, right?
Yes, it's where students can buy food and eat together.
So, what did you have for lunch?
I ordered a chicken sandwich and some salad. After lunch, I stayed in the cafeteria for a while to talk with my friends. We talked about our weekend plans.
Weekend plans. Like going somewhere?
Yes, my friend Emma wants to go hiking and John wants to watch a new movie. Maybe I will go hiking with Emma. I went to the library. I wanted to work on a group project. It's for my history class. We are making a small presentation about ancient Egypt.
Sounds interesting. Did you find the books you needed?
Yes, I looked for books on the shelves and took some notes. And after that, I went to my part-time job at the campus cafe. I make coffee and serve drinks to customers. Many students came in to get coffee before their evening classes. I worked with my friend Sarah. She made the drinks and I took the orders. We had fun. We even made a special hot chocolate for a customer who asked for extra marshmallows.
Extra marshmallows. That sounds sweet.
Yes, the customer smiled and said thank you many times. After work, I went to the gym. I ran on the treadmill for 20 minutes. I saw a classmate I hadn't seen in a long time. After the gym, I went back to my home. We're tired little, but I was also hungry, so I decided to make dinner. I made pasta with tomato sauce.
Sounds good. Did you eat alone?
No, my roommate joined me. We cooked together, talked while cooking. She made a salad, and I made the pasta. We even had some garlic bread on the side. After dinner, I watched a movie in my room. It was a comedy, very funny. About 2 hours. I laughed a lot. Sounds like a good way to relax and went to sleep. Around 11 o'clock.
Wow, you really did a lot yesterday.
Yes, it was a busy but fun day. Let's review. In the morning, you woke up at 7. stretched your arms, brushed your teeth, washed your face, got dressed and had breakfast. Right, I had toast, slightly burnt toast and coffee. Then you walked to class, talked with my friend, and in class you read a story and discussed it.
Yes, that was my morning. At lunch, you went to the cafeteria, talked with friends about weekend plans. In the afternoon, you studied in the library for your history project. Then worked at the campus cafe and made a special hot chocolate. Yes, with extra marshmallows. In the evening, you went to the gym, ran on the treadmill, then cooked pasta with your roommate, and finally, watched a comedy movie and went to bed at 11. That's a full day.
Yes, and now you know how to talk about a whole day in English. Perfect. Everyone watching, try telling us in the comments what you did yesterday.
And remember, we speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. See you next time.